Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to Suzhou.
So punta muna kami sa Suzhou, magbabakasyon for 4 days. No. Yeah. 4 days?
Yeah, because today is Labor Day.
Yeah. Today is a 5-day Labor Day.
Here in Shanghai. So starting today, May 2, up to May 4.
May 5?
Up to May 5, we're going to explore the beauty and nature of Suzhou City. That city,
Yeah,
Suzhou City.
Maganda doon kasi maraming garden, maraming Chinese traditional garden.
Yeah.
Ang mga ancient water town.
Yeah. Now we're here in Shanghai Hongqiao Airport waiting for our boarding. So by the way guys, our boarding time is 11:50. So right now it's already 11:30. So 20 minutes to go.
Anong gagawin sa Suzhou?
Ano, syempre, gagala tayo doon. Explore na. We're going to stay in hotel. I don't know what the name of the hotel.
Yeah, I forgot.
What's our hotel?
Hindi ko alam eh. Imutan ko na eh.
What?
Doesn't matter.
So from here in Shanghai, going to Suzhou, it's only about 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes lang.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Malapit lang.
Travel.
As in malapit lang. As in kapitbahay lang siya ng Shanghai. Pero ngayon guys, sobrang daming tao. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano karaming tao. Ayan po. Look. Ang daming tao. See? Look.
So later guys, so mga 15 minutes na lang, boarding time na namin. So papakita ko sa inyo yung sasakyan naming train. So magte-train lang kami kasi 30 minutes drive lang naman yun.
Train to Busan.
Train to Suzhou! So sa mga taga Suzhou dyan, mga Filipino working in Suzhou, hello there!
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
Alright guys, dito na kami ngayon sa train. Boarded na kami. So in 30 minutes, nasa Suzhou na kami. Dito kami ngayon sa train. So see you later, Suzhou!
Approaching Hunshannan Railway Station.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was
游到苏州本站下车的旅客，请带好随身携带物品，在车门口等下车。下车时请注意地面高度和站台间隙，欢迎下乘车。苏州北站就要到了，苏州北站就要到了。
先生们，列车现在的停车站是苏州北站。
到了，苏州北站，有到苏州北站下车的旅客，请尽快下车。
乘客可以回京本车的乘客。
Hear a second voice inside my head, accelerating night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
A few inches later.
太容易了，欢迎您乘坐轨道交通2号线。本次列车终点站三田岛，请您为有。
Meanwhile.
Alright guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Suzhou. Hahanapin namin yung hotel na pagstayan namin ngayon. So, ito yung situation ngayon dito sa Suzhou. Sobrang daming tao. Look guys. Since holiday, madami ring mga nagbabakasyon. Nandito kami ngayon sa parang isang town na more on commercials.
Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to stay tonight again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forever.
So, saan tayo ngayon?
Let's run away together.
Lakad tayo dito.
Run away together.
Diba? Lamig ng weather dito, no? Anyway guys, lakad kami ngayon. Nahanapin namin yung hotel na pinagbukan namin. Are we going to eat dessert? Where? Meat fresh. What's dessert? Ice cream? Yo. Is that a hotel? So, ayan na yun guys, yung hotel namin. Buti na lang malapit siya sa train station. Ay, train station. Are we here? So, ito na yung hotel namin. Papasok na kami. Here. Hotel Sun Plaza. Here we go. Makakapag-relax na tayo. Dito na kami sa hotel, guys.
Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together.
Balcony overlooking. room. There's the shower.
Eventually.
So guys, we're here at Meat Fresh. Magde-dessert muna kami. So order kami ng halo-halo ng China. Then may shape ice din siya. Tapos konti lang yung sahog niya compared to sa atin. Diba sa atin maraming sahog, dito konti lang yung sahog niya. Pero
Yung sa kanin dessert?
no, it's different. It's different. Yeah, it's different. I'll show you guys. Seems another kind of different feeling, sensation. But right now there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people from everywhere. They're trying to travel around. Well, it was registered the other day that there was like 250 million registered, or like something like tourists, 250 million tourists right now traveling the whole China. So it's because we cannot go out right now of China. Most people right now they love to travel around here. So now we're going to get a dessert. Dessert muna, dessert time. And then after dessert, we're gonna walk around. I don't know, somewhere. So we're gonna travel and take you in Suzhou. Here's our dessert. Look at this one. My ice cream topping. What's this one?
I think it's
Red beans, and I think these are called taro mini balls. Taro mini balls. And what's this soup? I don't know what's this soup. Maybe it's like tikman mo.
This one is ice cream on top.
Tikman mo.
Vanilla flavor.
Ang lasa. Titikman.
Parang munggo. Munggo bean.
Oo nga.
It's like
Red bean cream, parang ganun, red bean cream.
And there's
So,
a
ayan.
vanilla.
And
ice
then
cream
there's a
on top.
vanilla ice cream on top. Oh, looks so delicious. Okay, we're gonna try now. Let her try first. Let's see what it's.
Try this red
A
thing.
minute. One more. I didn't see you. I didn't catch you eating it.
When
Don't cover your face.
Yummy.
Trevor James. Alright, yummy daw, sabi niya. Hindi ako naman. Ha? So, yummy daw, yummy.
Dito ako muna masarap.
Yummy ka pala. Yummy ka. Ako naman. Mamaya niyan may nanginginig-ginig na dito. Medyo mahangin kasi, tapos masarap yung weather. Tapos medyo may kalamigan, tapos kakain ka ng ganito. Kakain ka ng ganito. Ang lamig. Haluin natin. Dapat yan hinahalo. Ayan na siya, guys. Na siya. Nasintensyahan na. Yun, dapat talaga hinahalo yan. Halo-halo yan eh. Yan ang halo-halo ng China. Here at Meat Fresh. Sakit sa ngipin ito ah. May mga nangingilo-ngilo dyan. Shout out sa mga nangingilo-ngilo dyan. Pag kumagat ng malamig, napapaluha. Napapailing na lang sa sakit. Pero ayaw tumigil dahil masarap.
Big bowl yung order mo? Oh, good for two na ito.
Nakagulo na ho dito mga kapatid. Free taste. The real China.